Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from GAIL. Okay, so to see about this GAIL notification, complete advertisement as well as to apply online, you have to go to this URL gailonline.com/crapplying gail.html. So this is the URL which you have to use, and once you go to this URL, so here you can see career opportunities in various disciplines in E1 and E2 grade. Okay, advertisement number is given gail/open/misc/3/2024, and here there is detailed advertisement and important instructions before you apply online. So two documents are there, so you need to go through these documents thoroughly and then go for applying online. So the apply online link is also here. So you can see apply now is here. Post date is on 12th November 2024 at 11 AM and last date to apply is 11th December 2024 up to 6 PM. Okay, so now let me show you the detailed advertisement. So here, if you click here, you can see the detailed advertisement here. So GAIL India Limited, career opportunities in various disciplines in E1 and E2 grade. So here you can observe the various vacancy positions here. Name of the post, Senior Engineer Renewable Energy, grade is E2 and the total number of vacancies are 6. So total number of vacancies here are 6 for Senior Engineer Renewable Energy. And here post identified as suitable for PWBDs in the following categories. So he has given certain categories for PWBDs also. So these category people can apply for this post. Then Senior Engineer Boiler Operations E2 grade, and here the number of vacancies are 3. Then Senior Engineer Mechanical E2 cadre, so number of vacancies are 30, total number of vacancies are 30. Then Senior Engineer Electrical E2 category and the number of vacancies are 6 here. Then you can see here Senior Engineer Instrumentation E2 category, number of vacancies are 1. Senior Engineer Chemical E2 category, number of vacancies are 36 here. Then Senior Engineer GAIL TEL TC or TM, the number of vacancies are 5. Senior Officer Fire and Safety, Senior Officer Fire and Safety, so 20 vacancies are there total. Senior Officer C&P, 22 vacancies are there. Senior Engineer Civil, 11 vacancies are there. Then Senior Officer Marketing, 22 vacancies are there. So Senior Officer Marketing, 22 vacancies. Senior Officer Finance and Accounts, 36 vacancies. Senior Officer Human Resources, 23 vacancies are there. Okay, still there are so many things. Senior Officer Law E2 category, 2 vacancies are there. Senior Officer Medical Services E2 category, 1 vacancy is there. Then Senior Officer Corporate Communication E2, 4 vacancies are there. Officer Laboratory E1 category, 16 vacancies are there. Officer Security E1 category, 4 vacancies are there. Officer Official Language E1 is the post category and 13 vacancies are there. Total 261 vacancies are notified in GAIL for E1 and E2 categories, dear students. Now let us see what are the essential qualifications. And for PWD candidates also there is a separate vacancy category list that was given. Kindly go through this. And here the abbreviations that are being used in the notification has been given. So kindly go through this carefully, dear students, before applying. Then here you can see the eligibility criteria, essential qualification, minimum essential experience in the form of table is given here. Now let us see Senior Engineer Renewable Energy E2 is the grade and pay scale is between 60,000 to 1,80,000 and upper age limit is 28 years. upper age limit is 28 years. And here bachelor's degree in engineering in chemical, electronics and power, electrical and electronics, electronics, instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, electrical and instrumentation, instrumentation and control, mechanical, production and industrial manufacturing with minimum 65% marks. Minimum 65% marks they have asked here. Minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience, including experience as graduate engineer trainee, management trainee in the field of renewable energy, wind or solar, green hydrogen in state central government departments, institution undertakings or large private sector organizations, institutions, companies of repute as an employee of that organization. So, essential experience, he has asked 1 year minimum experience as graduate engineer trainee or management trainee. See, for all the posts that have notified, they have asked minimum 1 year experience, dear students. I'll just show you the other things also. So, here you can see senior engineer boiler operation E2 category, pay scale is between 60,000 to 1,80,000, upper age limit is 28 years. And here you can see bachelor degree in engineering in chemical, mechanical, electrical with minimum 60% marks and certificate of proficiency as boiler operation engineer. So, certificate of proficiency is also being asked along with 60% of marks in bachelor's degree. Then minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience, including experience as graduate engineer trainee and management trainee in O&M of boiler after obtaining proficiency certificate in BOE in state central government departments. Okay, so kindly go through these minimum qualifications. Then senior engineer mechanical E2 category, pay scale is 60,000 to 1,80,000 and upper age limit is 28 years. Bachelor's degree in mechanical, production and industrial manufacturing, mechanical and automobile with 65% marks minimum. So, with minimum 65% marks, so this is the thing. Then minimum 1 year post qualification experience. Okay, so post qualification experience of minimum 1 year in various categories is being given here. So, kindly go through this carefully. Okay, then the next one, senior engineer electrical. So, bachelor's degree in engineering in electrical, electronics and power, electrical and power with minimum 65% marks, minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience as GET, graduate engineer trainee or management trainee of project commissioning, maintenance in petrochemical plant, hydrocarbon process plant, fertilizer plant or in construction commissioning, operations and maintenance. So, this is asked here. Then senior engineer instrumentation, same pay scale dear students and same age limit everywhere. So, qualification minimum 65% marks are required in the bachelor's degree. So, here you can see for instrumentation, bachelor's degree in instrumentation and control, electronics and instrumentation, electrical and instrumentation, electrical and electronics with minimum 65% marks and minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience. So, again in petrochemical plant, hydrocarbon process plant, like this he has asked minimum 1 year experience. Okay. Then so, GAIL TM senior engineer E2 category. So, here electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics people can apply for this one and minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience they are asking. Then coming to fire and safety. So, fire and safety, bachelor's degree in engineering in fire and safety with minimum 60% marks. Preference will be given to candidates having 1 year diploma in industrial safety from a central regional labor institute recognized by the government. Okay, so preference will be given to these candidates and the number of vacancies are more for this fire and safety. Minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience they are asking in the fire and safety discipline. Okay, then senior engineer grade civil bachelor's degree in engineering in civil with minimum 65% marks, then minimum 1 year post qualification executive inline experience as graduate engineer trainee, management trainee in civil functions in state, central government, departments, organizations, undertakings, etc. Okay, so these are the various posts, dear students. E2 category 60,000 to 1,80,000 is the pay scale, and coming to E1 category posts. So E1 category posts 50,000 to 1,60,000 is the remuneration, and here upper age limit is 32 years given for certain posts, and for certain posts 45 years is also given. So kindly go through these carefully, so then you can apply for this examination. Okay, so application is online application as you have seen. So minimum essential educational qualification required shall be as indicated in table 2 against each post that we have seen already now. All minimum educational qualifications must be from UGC recognized Indian universities. Okay, diploma in engineering qualification should be recognized by respective state board of technical education. Okay, minimum percentage of marks in the essential qualification as specified shall be considered as per institute, university rules and norms. Wherever CGPA, OGPA, CPI or letter grade in a degree is awarded, equivalent percentage of marks should be indicated in the application as per the norms adopted by university or institute. Okay, so kindly go through this carefully. Candidates having 5 years BE BTech plus ME MTech integrated dual degree in engineering in relevant discipline shall also be considered. Okay, so there will be consideration for 5-year degree programs also. Kindly go through this carefully. Right, so these are all the qualification required information already we have seen. Okay, so minimum essential post qualification experience as mentioned at table 2 above should be as on 11/12/2024, that means before December 11th this essential experience and qualification should be available. Okay, try to remember this carefully. Then relaxation for minimum percentage of marks in educational qualification, relaxation of 5% in minimum percentage of marks in essential qualification will be provided in respect of SC, ST and PWD category students. So kindly go through this carefully. Upper age limit and relaxation. So SC, ST candidates 5 years, OBC non-creamy layer 3 years, PWBD belonging to unreserved EWS 10 years, PWD belonging to OBC NCL 13 years and PWBD belonging to SC ST category 15 years of age relaxation is given. So kindly go through these age relaxations carefully, dear students, and minimum pay scales already we have seen. So initial pay, initial basic pay for E2 grade will be 60,000 and E1 grade will be 50,000. Okay, then so variable pay, superannuation benefits, everything is mentioned, dear students. Kindly go through this carefully. Then application fee. At the time of submission of online application, candidates belonging to unreserved EWS, OBC, NCL category are required to pay a non-refundable application fee of 200 rupees. So non-refundable application fee of 200 rupees should be paid. Okay, however, SC, ST, PWD category candidates are exempted from payment of application fees. Okay, so this is about the payment related information, dear students. So kindly go through this. Then how to apply? So how to apply? So you can see here the application has started from 12th November 2024 at 11 AM and it will be up to 6 PM on 11th December 2024, up to 6 PM only, dear students. Before registering, applying online, candidates are advised to go through the detailed instructions. The candidate should possess the following and keep the same handy while applying online. So valid email ID, mobile number, it should be kept active during the entire recruitment process. That was given. Scanned copy of recent passport size colored photograph 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters and signature 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters of the candidates. Size of the file should be up to 250 KB in .jpg, .png or .jpeg format. Okay, So candidate can edit the information before the submission that is given here. Step by step process for submitting the application form for the same is given below. So first you have to register, then you will get login credentials. So you can log in using the credentials, select the advertisement number and then the post for which you are applying. Then complete the application form, personal details, qualification, experience details, then make payment, then check entered details using final preview option available, submit the form after verifying the information. Okay, so these are the 6 steps or 7 steps that you have to follow while applying the application form. Candidates are not required to submit hard copy of the application form and or any other document to GAIL at this stage. Okay. So, in case the candidate is called for selection process, he has to bring the downloaded application form with the original documents in the order as mentioned below, together with one separate set of photocopy of all the documents duly self-attested in the same order. Okay. So, you can see the order. So, printout of the application form, document of date of birth proof, that means 10th class certificate or matriculation certificate, caste certificate, all certificates, testimonials, whatever are there, then experience certificate, all these things you have to take. Okay. Now, let me show you the application form here. So, career opportunities in various disciplines in E1 and E2 grade. So, if you click on apply now, so here recruitment system has opened. First you have to go for the registration new user. So, here you have to fill the details. So, you can see, right. So, are you an employee of GAIL? If you are a previous employee, you have to put S. If you are not a previous employee, you can put no here. Then first name, last name, date of birth, email, OTP, password. Okay. So, all these things, then you have to click on I hereby agree to register as an applicant for recruitment in GAIL and you have to enter the CAPTCHA. Then submit, you will get login credentials, use the login credentials here, email or username, OTP, password, then enter the CAPTCHA and go for login. Okay. So, if you forgot the password, you can click on forgot password and you can regenerate the password. Okay. So, this is how you have to apply for this GAIL examination. Okay. Thank you. All the very best.